Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes, students, today we will do the sums of exercise 5.5 and those are division sums. Yes, and here we are going to start. So be ready everyone. We will do the sums of exercise 5.5. So take your notebooks and books with you and here we are going to start. Yes friends, in the exercise 5.5 there are the sums of the division. Yes, as usual we are doing the sums of the division in the same way we have to do these sums. Yes, but a little bit difference is there and that is very easy and you can understand these very much carefully. Let's start. Yes, see how to solve these sums. Yes, sum number 1 is there. Solve the following. Yes, first sum is of division that I am going to tell you how to do. There is exercise 5.5. Yes, exercise 5.5. Yes, and sum is solve the following. Division symbol is there, means we have to divide the 943 by 3. Yes, first of all we will write the table of 3. Table of 3. Yes, 3 zeros the 0, 3 ones the 3, 3 twos the 6, 3 threes the 9, 3 fours the 12, 3 fives the 15, 3 six the 18, 3 sevens the 21, 3 eights the 24, 3 nines the 27. Yes, like this up to 9 we will write. Now here, as we are doing in the previous sum, in the same way we will do this sum. Here we will write 9 and we will divide it by 3. Now in the table of 3 we will find out 9. Is it there or not? Yes, here when we see the table of 3 we got 3 3 is a 9. So here what we will do? 3 3 is a 9. Yes, then subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0 is there. Then after that next digit is there 4. We will bring it downside. Here is 4. We will ignore this number, this 0. Yes, now 4 is there only. Now 4 is to be divided by 3. 4 के नीचे हमने 4 से small number लगाना है. Yes, here you can see 0 can be written under 4, 3 can be written under 4, 6 cannot be written under 4. तो जहाँ पे हमें no मिल जाए, before that number we will write in the division. So here we will write 3 ones the 3. Yes, 4 minus 3 when we will do, we will get 1. Now next digit is 3. Yes, now we will bring it downside. Here is 3. Now it has become 13. Now we will see the table of 3. Yes, under 13 0 can be written. Yes, 3 can be written. 6 can be written. 9 can be written. 12 can be written. 15 cannot be written under 13. 13 के नीचे हम 15 नहीं लिख सकते. So here what we will write now? We will write 12. See here how we will write 3 4s the 12. After that we will do subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1 will be there. 1 minus 1, 0 will be there. Yes friends, now see carefully. Here 3 digits are there, 9, 4 and 3. Now we have written all these digits here, 9, 4 and 3. After that nothing is there, जिसको हम नीचे लिख लें. No digit is there. So here our sum is going to be end. We will draw ending line. Yes, now what to do? We will write our answer. Yes, we will write 943 divided by 3 is equal to, quotient is, what is the quotient? Answer of the division is called quotient. Quotient is 314. Quotient is 314 and here is 1. ये अनडिवाइडेड रह गया 1 क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई और डिजिट नहीं था. सो इट इज़ लेफ्ट. दिस इज़ लेफ्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. तो जो पार्ट लेफ्ट हो जाता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रिमाइंडर. राइट द स्पेलिंग्स केयरफुली. दैट इज़ रिमाइंडर and remainder is 1. This is the complete answer of the division. This is the complete answer of the division. Yes, now I will tell you B part, how to solve. Yes friends, when you will do the practice of these sums, you can know these sums very easily. Yes, now what is the B part? The statement is 531 divided by 7. Yes, now here in the rough work we will write the table of 7. Yes, table of 7. 7 zeros the 0, 7 ones the 7, 7 twos the 14, 7 threes the 21, 7 fours the 28, 7 fives the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 sevens the 49, 7 eights the 56, 7 nines the 63. Like this we have written the table of 7. Now we will start our division. Yes, here I will write only 5. Yes, and here we have to divide it by 7. Now we will observe the table of 7. As we observe the table of 7, so here we can write only 0 because 7 cannot be written under 5, so we can write 0. So here what we will do, 7 zeros the 0. Yes, now 5 minus 0, 5 will be there. Next digit is 3. Next digit is 3. We will bring it downside. Now it has become 53. Now as we will observe the table of 7, what can be written under 53? 0 can be written, 7 can be written. जो 53 से small है those can be written. 14 भी लिखा जा सकता है, 21 also can be written, 28 also, 35 also, 42 also, 49 also. 56 cannot be written अंडर 53. 53 के नीचे हम 56 नहीं लिख सकते. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट, वी विल राइट 49. We will write here 49. So here 7 sevens the 49. Yes, now we will do the subtraction. 3 minus 9 is not possible, so हम 5 से 1 borrow लेंगे. So here it will become 13 and here it will left 4. 13 minus 9, 4 will be there, and 4 minus 4, 0 will be there. Yes, now next digit is 1. So we will bring it downside, that is 1. Now it has become 41. This 0 we will ignore. Now we will see the table of 7. So what can be written under 41? Yes, here you can see 0 can be written under 41, 7 can be written, 14 can be written, 21 can be written, 28 can be written, 35 also can be written, but 42 cannot be written under 41. 41 के नीचे हम 42 नहीं लिख सकते. Yes, so what we will write? We will write 35. We will write 35. So here 7 5s are 35. Yes, we will do subtraction. 1 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take 1 borrow from here. Yes, 11 minus 5, 6 will be there. 3 minus 3, 0 will be there. Yes, now our sum will be ANDed because हमने सारे digits नीचे ले आए हैं, हम कोई और digit नहीं बचा है. So this 0 we will ignore. Yes, so what will be the answer? 531 divided by 7. What we got? We got quotient. What is the quotient here? 75 and remainder. What left at the last? That is the remainder, and remainder is 6. This is the answer of the division. Yes, like this I will tell you sum number D. Part D. I will tell you what is the statement of part B. That is 529 divided by 9. Yes, as in rough work we will write the table of 9. Nine zeros the 0, 9 ones the 9, 9 twos the 18, 9 threes the 27, 9 fours the 36, 9 fives the 45, 9 6 the 54, 9 sevens the 63, 9 eights the 72, 9 nines the 81. Like this we will write the table of 9. Yes, now we will start our division. Yes, firstly we will write here, we will write here 9, and here we will write 5. Here we will write 5. Yes, now we will start a division. We will observe the table of 9. Yes, so that we can divide 5 by 9. Yes, what we will see here? We can see here only 0 can be written under 5. So here what we will do? 9 zeros the 0. 9 zeros the 0. 5 minus 0, what will be there? 5 will be there. then next digit is 2. We will write that and we will bring it downside. Now it has become 52. Now we will observe the table of 9 and we will see what can be written under 52. Here as we observe the table of 9, yes, 0 can be written, 9 can be written under 52, 18 भी लिखा जा सकता है 52 के नीचे, 27 can also be written, 36 can also be written, 45 can also be written, 54 cannot be written. So here we will write 45. 9 5s are 45. Yes. So here we will write 9 5s are 45. Now we will do subtraction. Yes, 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we will take one borrow from here and it will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7 is there, and 4 minus 4, 0 is there. Yes, now we will move to next digit, that is 9. We will write here 9 and we will bring it downside. Now it has become 79. Now again we will observe the table of 9. What can be written? 79 के नीचे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं जो 79 से small होगा? Yes, all these are, as we observed, all these are 79 less than 79. 79 से small है. 81 cannot be written. 79 के नीचे हम 81 नहीं लिख सकते. So what we will write? We will write 72. Yes, and it is 9 8s the 72. So here what we will do? 9 8s the 72. Yes, 9 minus 2, what will be there? 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Yes, now we have brought all the digits downside. So our division is over. We will draw ending line. Yes, now what is the answer of the division? 529 divided by 9. We got quotient as it is 58 and the remainder is 7. Yes, like this we got the answer of this division. Yes, now in the same way we will do next part, that is F part. Yes, in F part how to do these sums? Yes, 167 divided by 6. 167 divided by 6. Yes, now in the rough work we will write the table of 6. 6 0 is the 0, 6 1 is the 6, 6 2 is the 12, 6 3 is the 18, 6 4 is the 24, 6 5 is the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 is the 42, 6 8 is the 48, 6 9 is the 54. Like this we will write the table of 6 and here we will start our division. Yes, here we will write 1 and here 6. Yes, so firstly 6 0 is the 0. Now we got here 1 and the next digit is 6. We will write it and we will bring it downside. Now 16 is with us and from here you can see what can be written under 16. 16 के नीचे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0 भी लिख सकते हैं, 6 भी लिख सकते हैं, 12 भी लिख सकते हैं, 18 नहीं लिख सकते. So we will write 12 and it is 6 2's the 12. Yes, now 6 minus 2 4, 1 minus 1 0. This we will ignore and the next digit is 7. We will write here and we will bring it downside. Now it has become 47. Yes, now what can be written under 47? 47 के नीचे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 48 नहीं लिख सकते हैं, इसके ऊपर वाले सभी नंबर्स हम 47 के नीचे लिख सकते हैं, बट वी विल टेक द लास्ट, दैट इज 42. इट इज 6 7s the 42. सो हेयर व्हाट वी विल डू? 6 7s the 42. Yes, now 7 minus 2 5 is there, 4 minus 4 0 is there. So here we will draw the ending line also because all the 3 digits have brought down and 5 left remainder. So our answer will be 167 divided by 6. Yes, and we got the quotient as 27 and remainder as 5. Yes, like this we got this answer. Yes friends, now let's move to sum number 2. What is there in sum number 2? You can see there, those are also very easy sums, but the digits are 4 digits division is there. Yes, so here I will tell you how to do this division. That's also very easy. Yes, A part is there, 4137 divided by 2. Yes, now here in the rough work we will write the table of 2. Yes, we will write the table of 2. 2 zeros the 0, 2 ones the 2, 2 twos the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 fours the 8, 2 fives the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 sevens the 14, 2 6 the 2 sevens the 14, 2 eights the 16, yes, and 2 nines the 18. Up like this we will write the table of 2, and here we will start our division. Here we can write, here we got here 4, so we will write 2 2's the 4. 4 minus 4, 0 is there, next digit is 1. Yes, we will bring it downside. Yes, then 1. We will observe the table of 2. What can be written? 0 can be written under 1. Yes, 2 zeros the 0. Yes, now here 1. Next digit is 3. We will write it and we will bring it downside. Now it has become 13. What can be written under 13? 14 cannot be written, so we will write 12. 2 6 the 12. Yes, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This we will ignore, and the next digit up to 3 we have written, and the next digit, that is 7. We will bring it downside. Now it has become 17. Yes. Now what can be written under 17? 16 can be written under 17 because 18 तो नहीं लिखे जा सकते, so we will write 16. Yes, 2 8's the 16. Yes. Now 7 minus 6, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, here all the digits have been brought downside, so here this we will ignore, and what is the answer of this? That is 4137 divided by 2. That is quotient we got. What is the quotient? That is 2068, and remainder is here 1. So this is the answer. Yes, like this you have to do all the parts, all other parts, those are left. Yes, I am leaving these sums for you only because I want that you should do these sums by yourself, so that you can get also the practice of these sums and you may be expert in these sums. Yes, hope for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.